Okay, now the steroids are contraindicated in the treatment of coronavirus disease. Please remember, steroids are contraindicated. And second thing is the stages of community acquired transmission of coronavirus disease. Stage 1, it is there in the people who have traveled from abroad, not from the local person, not there in the local person in the stage 1. In the stage 2, it is there in the people who have traveled from abroad, as well as in it has transmitted to the local person. In the stage 3, the coronavirus disease is there, primary case cannot be traced. That means it is there in the person who has traveled abroad, as well as in the local person, as well as the person who has not in contact with the primary case or the person who has traveled abroad. And in the fourth case, there will be transmission of the virus in clusters. In clusters, okay, in clusters. In the fourth stage, there will be transmission in clusters, like in bunches it will be transmitted. If primary case cannot be traced, it will be there in the person who has traveled abroad and in the local person, but in clusters it will be there in clusters. Now, so many cases, for example, in one place there is 1,000 cases, another place there is 2,000 cases, like that. And in the stage 5, the entire country, the coronavirus is there in the entire country, and whole country should be quarantined in that condition. In the stage 5, whole country should be quarantined. In the stage 4, whole place should be quarantined. And in the stage 6, it has been transmitted from that quarantined country to the other country. Now the Italy and China are in the stage 6. That means it is there in the whole country, as well as it is transferred to the outside the country. That is stage 6. Okay, stages you have to remember. So for abroad, stage 1, local person and abroad, stage 2, and stage 3 is primary case cannot be traced, local person, but the person was not in contact with the person who has traveled abroad. And in the stage 4, the clusters of cases. And in the stage 5, whole country. And in the stage 6, it has been transmitted from the country to the outside the country. Okay, India is in now stage 3, and Italy and China are in the stage 6. Okay, please remember. So that is very important. Thank you. Myself, Dr. Thipperudraswamy. I have written book on personality development system. Thank you. Jai Ganesh, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shankar.